Hi there. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to create a screencast using Skype for Business. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Skype for Business application and click on the calendar icon at the top. Select Meet Now, choose the first option, and select OK. So this will bring up your Skype for Business video conference window. You're going to be the only one here, but that's okay. And the first thing you're going to do is share your screen. So I'm going to share a PowerPoint file and open it up. So depending on how big the file is, you can, it'll take a little while to load. And the next thing you're going to do is click on the button with the 3 ellipses that says More Options and select Start Recording. And now you're ready to go. So Skype for Business will record everything in this box as well as your voice. You can advance through the slides just like you would normally. You can also use the pen up here to annotate. They also have a laser pointer if you want to use that. They have a pen. They also have highlighters, erasers, pretty much anything you want to do. So we can continue forward and finish our presentation. When you're finished, you can select More Options again and then select Stop Recording. So immediately Skype for Business will begin to process the recording. If you want to get to it from within the Skype for Business application, go to More Options again and then Manage Recordings. So you can see here this one is processing, and whenever it's processed, it'll be ready to share. You can also leave the meeting and access your recording directly through the File Explorer. So these are stored in the OneDrive for Business attachments location. So once the recording has finished, you'll see here a notification that it says it's available and you can view it. So one thing that's nice about this is that you notice that the only thing that's recorded in the Skype for Business window is the slideshow and your annotations. The rest of the application is not recorded. So that's what it looks like to record a Skype for Business screencast. I hope this video was helpful.